gonna make today? A table. So we're gonna take 2 pipes and attach them on a blue circle. Now we take a black pipe and fix it on the blue circle. We take another blue circle and join it at the other end of the black pipe. Like this. Then a yellow pipe. Join it on the other blue circle. Another yellow pipe. That goes on the other circle like this. We put it like this. So this structure will make the stand of the table. The yellow pipes are the 4 legs. We take another black pipe and we attach it on this yellow pipe like this. We take another black pipe and attach it to the other yellow pipe on the same side. Now for the remaining 2 yellow pipes, we attach 1 black pipe each. And this goes here like this. Make sure that all the pipes are fixed with each other properly, along with the rings so that the structure is steady. Now we attach the black pipes together like this. This is the structure of the table. Now turn it upside down. Okay, so now we take these colorful pipes and place them on these black pipes on both the sides. We place a purple one. Then we go with the blue one. Here comes the orange and green, another blue, light green and red. We end with a white. We start with the white again and try to match the colorful pattern on the first pipe. Here we go with the red, green, blue, sky blue, orange, dark blue, and then purple and another sky blue. Yay! It's a colorful pattern. Now we're gonna join all these colored pipes on the other 2 black pipes on the other side. Like this. Let's do it one by one. Here you go. Yes. Like this. The other edges of all the colorful pipes go on the black pipe like this. Make sure all the colored pipes are attached properly so that they don't come off. We're almost done here. Now, similarly, we're going to attach the remaining colorful pipes to the other black pipe on the other side too. We have detached the black pipes for now, so that the process of attaching the colorful pipes becomes easy. We can do this one by one as we did before. Here we go. I love the colors. Attach them properly so that they are fixed. Like this. Yeah, last one to go, the white one. Alright, now our structure is ready. Now we're gonna attach the ends of the black pipes together in order to complete the structure of our table. Now the colorful pipes are gonna make the tabletop. It looks so pretty. We're almost done here, but let's double check. If any of the pipes is loose, no, it's steady. Make sure that the yellow pipes, which are the legs of the table, face each other so that the table is aligned properly. The table is ready now.